Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has quickly become a kitchen essential for many home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. We found the Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Bags, and you can find a link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Bags? These are pre-cut, clear vacuum sealer bags designed to simplify the sous vide cooking process. Each pack contains 50 bags, sized at 8.6 inches by 11.8 inches, which come with easy tear tops, making them incredibly convenient to use. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the kitchen, these bags are tailored for quick and efficient meal prep. Let's talk about the standout features that make these bags a must-have. First off, their pre-cut design is perfect for those who want to streamline their cooking process. You can simply drop your food into the bag, seal it up, and get right to cooking without any fuss. This is especially advantageous for those hectic meal prep days when every minute counts. Another significant feature is their robust construction. Anova bags are designed with a 7-layer double rib design that allows for efficient and fast air extraction. This means that even during the longest sous vide cooks, your food maintains its integrity without being crushed. This durability sets them apart from many competitors on the market and ensures that you can cook with confidence. One of the biggest concerns for health-conscious consumers is the safety of the materials used in food storage. Anova has addressed this with their vacuum sealer bags, which are 100% food-safe and free from harmful BPA plastics. You can feel at ease knowing that the only thing leaving these bags is whatever delicious dish you decide to prepare. Now, who are these bags suitable for? Well, if you love sous vide cooking, whether you're just experimenting or are a regular at it, these bags are an excellent choice. They work great for everyone from busy parents looking to meal prep for the week, to gourmet chefs wanting to preserve the quality of their ingredients. Let's consider some practical use cases. If you're planning a family barbecue and want to marinate meats in advance, simply place your marinated chicken or steak in these bags, vacuum seal them, and let them sit in the fridge until it's grill time. The bag's design ensures that the marinade penetrates deeply, resulting in flavorful meals. Do you enjoy meal prepping? Anova bags are perfect for portioning out your meals for the week. Just cook in batches, vacuum seal your individual portions, and store them in the fridge or freezer. When you're ready to eat, just drop the sealed bag into your sous vide bath, and you've got a perfectly cooked meal waiting for you. Lastly, these bags also come in handy for preserving freshness. Whether you're sealing away fruits, vegetables, or even cheese, the vacuum seal prevents freezer burn and keeps your food fresh longer. In conclusion, the Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Bags are a fantastic investment for anyone who enjoys cooking, especially through sous vide methods. Their ease of use, durability, and safety features make them a standout choice in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.